Okay, impossible decisions.
Rohan?
Okay. So this
Yeah.
is basically a rapid fire type of questions when we'll give you two choices and you have to select one of them. And we might ask that why you selected that depending. So
Okay.
let's start with it. Without
Okay.
shooting the first questions.
Yep.
So would you rather be part of the communities or become the prime minister?
Be the part of the communities.
Don't you think that becoming prime minister you can help communities grow more by bringing up new schemes and all?
So if I become a prime minister, then I have the different role as well, apart from the making the community grow. So currently my focus is to just be a part of the community and to grow the community. So for that purpose, I will join the community rather than becoming the prime minister. So rather than having lots of responsibility, I will stick to the one responsibility which I'm currently focused on, and will solve that.
Would you rather be an Olympic gold medalist or a Nobel Peace Prize winner?
Difficult question.
Yeah. So what do you?
So it's like so right now, if I consider the GDE as in the Olympic gold medalist, then I will go for the Nobel Prize winner, because I have already a kind of a one tag for myself.
True.
Would you rather continue your life or restart it to any point you want?
No, continue with my life, because I know how much effort I have put to reach at this level. So I don't want to restart it.
Would you rather deactivate all your social medias for a month or feel hangover for a month?
I'll feel hangover for a month rather than deactivating social media, because I'm a kind of a person who love to connect with the people and who want to talk to the people. So I won't deactivate social media, but yeah, I will make less use of social media, but yeah, I won't deactivate it.
Okay.
So would you rather speak your mind or never speak again?
Speak my mind always.
That's great, actually. So, would you rather be able to breathe underwater or fly through the air like Superman?
Fly through the air.
So
Because
what would be a superhero name?
superhero name, I don't know. I have never thought of it.
But don't you think there are a lot of things to discover underwater? So, breathing underwater will be much more, exciting.
So, I agree with your point that getting underwater is quite exciting. But again, if I choose that to breathe underwater, then it will limit to just towards the Earth. If I can fly through the air, I can roam around the galaxies.
Yeah, that is also true.
So that's why I fly through the air.
Yeah. So,
Would you rather live in an amusement park for a month or live in a zoo?
Amusement park. I love that the rides and everything. That kind of excitement in the zoo. I'm not a kind of a person who love pets. So for me, it has been difficult to be with the pet animal, or maybe or with any animal, because I have never exposed to that kind of experience.
I can
So
relate that.
yeah, so I will better choose for the amusement park and having the fun.
okay.
I just wish that all the rides will be open.
Yeah.
Favorite ride? Which is a favorite ride?
Honestly, nothing, because I have never lose my keys, or I have never forget my cell phone. It's like whenever I just go out from home, I just check my pockets and everything. So I have never lost a key or never forget my phone at any place. So
So
I just
what
pass.
would you like to lose, your keys or forget your phone at home?
I lose my
But you
keys.
have to select. Which one?
Lose
Which
my
case?
keys. Yeah, lose my keys because I can get the another keys, but if I lose my phone, then there are a lot of things in my phone which I don't want to lose it.
So the next question is, would you rather be forced to listen the same song, same 10 songs on repeat for the rest of your life, or be forced to watch the same 5 movies on repeat for the rest of your life?
I guess the songs will be preferable because so that while listening the song I can do other stuff. Otherwise, I just have to sit in front of the screen and I have to watch the movies throughout my life. So yeah, I will choose the song on the repeat mode.
So who's your favorite singer, if we can know?
Honestly, there is no any kind of favorite singer. I'm not that kind of a moody person or kind of a choosy person. It's like depends on the music. So before some time, I was a fan of Himesh Reshamia songs. During that time where Ek Baar Aaja Aaja kind of songs. Then Arjit Singh came. Then Arman Malik came. Now Amit Trivedi are also moving. So it's like so whomsoever is giving the good music, I'm just listening them. It's not like any favorite or something.
Any particular favorite song
Uh,
that you
so
can listen on loop?
yeah, the Sanam Re song, the title song, the Sanam Re, by
Oh,
Arjit Singh,
that
and
one is good.
also there are a couple of songs from. I mean, most of the songs which currently I love is from the Arjit. Now Arjit and Arman Malik, and some of the old Sadabahar song from the Kishore Kumar.
So
Also some of the Basha song also nowadays.
yeah. So would you rather become someone else or just stay you?
So as of now, I'm just staying as me, but I'm aspiring to, achieve that the other guy have achieved, just to reach the goal. But I don't lose my own flavor.
It's also cool. Um, so would you rather have a time machine or a teleporter?
Teleporter,
Why so?
so that I can. So if we take an example of the current situation, if we have a teleporter, I can just come to next to you or maybe next to Rohan. We can just hang around. The,
That's also.
yeah. So I mean, at least after watching the Tenet, I don't want the time machine.
So
Would you rather have to write everything you say by hand or only be able to speak in rhymes or any melody?
Only be able to speak in rams.
Can you try?
Uh, it's not like I'm not sure how good I am, but that's the another skill that I want to focus on in the writing, especially in the technical writing, which I'm very lacking of. And I get a lot of feedback that hey Drumil, you are very good with your knowledge and this stuff. You should write and publicize the stuff. But I'm more about a person who love to talk and speak. So it would be better if my words can be, go in the rhymes and then you can listen. I mean, I don't know.
uh, let's go with the next one. Would you rather be always 10 minutes late for the important events or always 30 minutes early for everything else?
Always be 30 minutes early. It's a
Okay,
record.
so you're not the late kind of person, right? So that's
Yes.
also good.
Yes. I'm always the first person to reach at the venue.
That's good. Um,
So would you rather never be able to use your phone again or never be able to use a computer?
Oh, this is difficult. Never be able to use a computer again. because I can do some of the stuff with the mobile. Now the mobiles are getting more powerful. So that's okay if I don't be able to use the computer again.
Okay. So,
I will find some workaround with the mobile.
would you rather always have a full battery for your mobile or always have a full tank of your car?
So I don't have my own car. It's like we have a family car.
Hmm.
So yeah, I have my personal mobile. So I always have a full battery.
Yeah, we need that nowadays, really.
Yeah,
Uh,
So would you rather have more time or more money?
more time. Because if I have more time, I can earn more money.
that is also true. We did not thought of it. Okay.
Yeah.
So, would you rather have a pause button in your life or have a rewind button in your life?
Pause, because I don't want to go back and I mean there are like the two answers for this. For the good moment and for the the happy moment, I want a rewind button. But if something is not going the way I am expecting, then I want just a pause button. Just like I just want to take a break and just go for a walk with my wife.
Yeah. Um,
So would you rather be invisible or have the ability to read people's mind?
Read mind.
don't you think being invisible is like cool and you can go many places without people seeing you?
I mean, there's the very limited places where I can't go right now. Right?
Yeah.
So, so it won't be like more helpful to be invisible. But for reading if I get the ability to read the mind, so I can be, kind of a better communicator, and I can be, like a better person who can understand that what the next guy is thinking about and what he's going to do next, so that I can help him whatever the kind of problem that he is facing or he might be having.
Okay. Um,
So would you rather be constantly worried about germs or be terrified by a monster under your bed?
Neither one.
nowadays,
uh, I mean, I don't know whether I shared this with you or not. So I've been affected by the corona in the November month, and then I be recovered from the corona. So after getting recovered, I realized that what are the things which I did in a wrong manner. So now I don't worry about the jumps, and I'm not terrified of. I just know that what I have to do to get saved from these things. So yeah,
okay. I
I'm just
hope you are
passed.
soon. Yeah, I hope you are fine now. Our next question is: would you rather never age physically or never age mentally?
Never age mentally, because at the end nobody is totally care about your body, that how you look and how you work. But again, if my uh, mm, like mental health is quite good, and if my physics are not good, then again it is not going to help me out. But yeah, just to take a decision, I will be more like never age mentally.
Okay. Um, next question. Would you rather spend a day with your favorite athlete or with your favorite movie star?
I will just spend my day with my best friend, or uh, I mean, or maybe with the community, not with a specific person.
Okay. So, by the way, who is your favorite movie star? If we can know, you're not into movies, or is it so?
Very less, very less.
That
I
is
mean,
the
I'm not get, yeah. So I'm not more into the movies and the stuff like that. So I mean, if you ask me, so my average screen time is, like less than 12 hours. So,
Okay.
so apart from so other 12 hours, I'm just spending the time outside the like desktop and the mobile devices. I'm just taking almost like 8 hours of sleep every day, and
Mm.
spending some time with the family, just going for a walk and the stuff. So I'm not more towards the the screens and everything. So whenever there isn't any option, then only I will go and do the stuff.
Okay, cool. So I'll just pick a question from the live chats. Just one. Okay, so Manu asked, what are the some good ways to get hands-on experience with Flutter Dev for experience or maybe possibly earn some extra pocket money while being in college?
Okay, what are the some good ways to get hands-on experience with the Flutter Dev? Okay, so so one thing you can do is you can do an internship in the company where the organization is looking for some Flutter developer. You can reach out to them and you can ask them, hey, I have learned Flutter during the college, or maybe I want to explore Flutter in depth. So I just wanted to reach out to you. So by doing internship, you will get chance to learn that how Flutter works, and also you will learn how the organization works. Because as you are into your academics, there is a huge gap between academics and the professional career. So by doing internship, or maybe by getting opportunity as an intern in a good company where there is an opportunity for the Flutter developer, uh, that will benefit you a lot. And regarding the money, if you do a good work, at the end they are going to pay you money, because if they are earning from your efforts, they will definitely going to pay you. So don't worry about that thing.
Okay. Um, so we'll just carry on with the would you rather one.
Do
So
we have?
yeah, we have some. Would you rather get rid of one bad habit or get a new good habit?
Uh, I will get rid of one bad habit.
Um, can we know what?
Uh, so the one bad habit is like, I don't love to like to write a blog or something. This is the one bad habit that I'm being said. So this, like, I just want to get rid of that habit, so that I can start writing, and at then it will become kind of a new habit.
Um, so, would you rather be center of attraction or go unnoticed?
I would like to be the center of attention. Yeah, it's not good, but yeah, this is the honest truth that I have to admit.
Okay. So
Just a moment, let me just just switch on the light. I guess it is
sure,
getting
sure,
dark.
sure, 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 sure. Okay. Uh, so would you rather talk get the ability to talk to animals or speak all human languages?
I'll prefer speak all human language. As I mentioned that I'm not kind of a person who love like animals or the stuff. So
Mhm.
and honestly, I'm very scared of that. With the all the pet animals, or any animals. So I will choose speak all human language.
Okay. So the next one is would you rather be forced to wear the same clothes every day or have to do the same task every day?
Be forced to wear the same clothes every day.
That is kind of third.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is would you rather live in Antarctica or would you rather live in a Sahara Desert?
I will prefer to live in Antarctica because right now I'm living in Ahmedabad and it is almost quite hot. So I don't want to continue with that hotness with the Sahara Desert.
Okay.
I will go to Antarctica and have some, chilling and freezing life.
Okay, so hi Rohan, you're back again. So yeah, that was it for the impossible questions, and thank you so much for the answering those questions.